Hi friends, in this video I am going to show to you how to pull hardware hash value from the system. The purpose of hardware hash value is to update into the Intune portal, which is called device management tool, in order to register the device. Okay, how to pull the hardware hash value we can check here. First of all, just type this PC and right click properties. You just need to check the device name because of the hardware hash value will be generated on this name only. So that's why we need to have a look here. The device name is MyLab. Just please remember and go to search bar again. Type access, work or school. And here right side you find the option export your management log files. Just click here and just please remember the path where the file will be saved. See users, public documents, MDM diagnostics. Okay, export. It will be successfully exported. Just close it and go to the path which has been suggested. This PC, C drive, users, public, public documents, MDM diagnostics, and open the zip file. Here, how to find the device hash file? mylab.csv. This is the hash file which we are looking for. Just copy the same on the desktop. This hardware hash file, we need to upload into the Intune portal in order to register our device. Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.